Today we talk about how can you disable a passcode on your FxPro app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, so you just click here on security settings, just click on it here, and you just click here on security settings. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on passcode and touch ID here. Then here add your passcode you add before. So then here you click on it again, then it's going to disable with you here. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.